When you encounter the download quota exceeded error in Google Drive, it means you've hit one of Google's download limits. This common error has several causes that we need to understand. There are two main types of download limits. First, per file limits that prevent any single file from being downloaded too many times. Second, per user limits of around 10 terabytes per day that prevent individual users from downloading excessive amounts of data. Google's storage system is shared across Drive, Gmail, and Photos with a default 15 gigabyte limit. If you exceed your total storage quota, this can also trigger download errors, even when you haven't hit the download limits. Users typically encounter this error when attempting to download files through the Google Drive web interface. The error appears when you try to download popular files or when you've exceeded your daily download allowance. Google implements these quota limits for three main reasons: to prevent abuse of their servers, ensure fair usage for all users, and protect their infrastructure to maintain reliable service. Understanding these reasons helps explain why the limits exist and why they're necessary for the platform's stability. The first workaround is creating a shortcut to the file. Right-click the file and select Add Shortcut to Drive. Then move the shortcut to a new folder and download the entire folder. The second method involves making a copy of the file. Right-click the file, select Make a Copy, then go to your drive and download the copied file. Third-party cloud management services like multcloud can bypass Google Drive's download limits. However, you'll need to grant permissions to these external services. Three additional quick methods: wait 24 hours for the quota to reset, replace UC with open in the file URL, or select multiple files, including the one you need, and download them together as a zip. Keep in mind these important considerations. These methods may not always work due to Google's evolving policies. Ensure you have sufficient storage space in your drive. For API users, use separate service accounts to avoid quota issues. Always respect Google's terms of service.